Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your WeChat ad on your WeChat. We will go to figure out this lesson on how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, like you say, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here, like you say. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on account security and you come to account security here and you click here on we shot it, then it's going to take you to this window here, like you say, and you just click here on change we shot it, and here you add your password here in this window, and you click here on verify, and it's going to change your ad on your WeChat app. So that's all you have to do to change your ad on your WeChat. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.